Credibility is the foundation that all communications are built upon, especially public speaking. Hi, I'm Paul Barton from Phoenix Public Speaking with a quick tip for you. You know, one of the fastest ways you can blow your credibility is to mispronounce somebody's name or get crucial facts about that person wrong. This is especially true during things like an employee recognition event or retirement ceremony or any type of ceremonial speech. You know, I remember when my father died, the pastor delivering his eulogy made a crucial mistake. Now, my father was a church-going man, but this particular pastor didn't know him too well. He had interviewed the family prior to the service, but didn't get all of his facts quite right. Somewhere during the presentation, he mentioned that my father never, ever missed a Kansas State basketball game. Well, that was almost true. The problem is it was the University of Kansas that he never missed a basketball game for. And if you know anything about those two schools, they are fierce rivals. He immediately destroyed his credibility with the audience, some of which had traveled a long ways away, including relatives from Kansas. No one wanted to hear another word that he had to say after that crucial error. So get your facts right, pronounce those names right, get the facts right, and you will have a great presentation. Hey, for more great tips like this, be sure and subscribe.